Building a stunning retaining wall is more than just a practical solution for leveling a sloped yard or preventing soil erosion. It's an opportunity to create a breathtaking feature that transforms your landscape into the outdoor haven of your dreams. Imagine stepping outside into your garden and being greeted by the graceful curves or bold lines of a beautifully crafted wall, blending seamlessly with the surroundings and elevating the entire ambiance of your property. Whether you're planning a cozy backyard retreat, a vibrant flower garden, or a striking modern terrace, a well-designed retaining wall is the foundation upon which your dream landscape can flourish. The journey to a stunning retaining wall begins with inspiration and vision. Start by considering the natural contours of your landscape and how a wall could enhance its structure and flow. Do you envision a classic terraced garden where each level bursts with color and life? Or perhaps a sleek, minimalist wall that defines outdoor living spaces with effortless elegance? Take cues from the architecture of your home, the materials already present in your yard, and the style that resonates with you, whether it's rustic charm, modern sophistication, or timeless tradition. Next, focus on choosing the right materials. The material you select will not only determine the look and feel of your retaining wall, but also its durability and function. Natural stone offers organic beauty and varied texture, perfect for blending with lush greenery or creating a sense of age-old permanence. Concrete blocks, on the other hand, provide clean lines and a uniform appearance, ideal for contemporary designs or precise geometric shapes. For those who appreciate a more traditional look, brick brings warmth and character, while timber can offer a natural, earthy touch. Remember, the right material acts as an extension of your personal style and complements the overall landscape design. Before construction begins, it's crucial to plan carefully. Assess the slope, soil type, and drainage of your property. A retaining wall must be engineered to withstand the forces of water and earth. Neglecting proper drainage can lead to water buildup and eventual wall failure. Incorporate drainage pipes or gravel backfill behind the wall to ensure water flows freely away from the structure. Consulting with a landscape professional or engineer can help you determine the best practices for your site, especially if you're tackling a larger or more complex project. Now, let's talk about design. A stunning retaining wall isn't just functional, it's a statement piece. Play with height variations, curved lines, or tiered levels to add depth and interest. Consider integrating steps into the wall, creating a welcoming pathway that invites exploration. Add built-in seating for a space to relax, or design planters within the wall itself, allowing colorful flowers or cascading greenery to spill over the edges. Lighting is another powerful element. Embed soft LED strips or spotlights to highlight textures and create a magical atmosphere after dusk. The construction process begins with preparing a solid foundation. Excavate a trench that is deep and wide enough to accommodate the base of your wall. A stable base is essential for longevity, so fill the trench with compacted gravel or crushed stone before laying the first course of blocks or stones. Take your time to ensure the base layer is level and firmly set, as every layer above will depend on this foundation. As you build upward, stagger the joints between blocks or stones, much like the pattern in a brick wall. This technique, known as a running bond, adds both strength and visual appeal. Use a level frequently to check that the wall remains straight and true. For taller walls, incorporate reinforcement such as geogrid mesh, which helps anchor the wall into the surrounding soil and distribute pressure evenly. Don't overlook the finishing touches. The capstones, or top layer, give the wall a polished appearance and protect it from the elements. Choose capstones that complement the overall design and securely adhere them with construction adhesive. If you've included built-in planters, fill them with rich soil and select plants that thrive in your local climate. Evergreen shrubs, flowering perennials, or trailing vines can soften the lines of the wall and create a lush, inviting look all year round. Maintenance is key to keeping your retaining wall looking stunning for years to come. Regularly inspect the wall for signs of settling or movement, especially after heavy rain. Clear away debris from drainage outlets to prevent blockages, and trim back any plants that might cause root pressure against the structure. With proper care, your retaining wall will stand strong and beautiful, a testament to the craftsmanship and creativity that went into its design. Beyond the practical benefits, a stunning retaining wall enhances the usability of your outdoor space. It creates flat, usable areas where children can play, gardens can flourish, or guests can gather for outdoor entertaining. It can serve as a backdrop for water features, sculptures, or outdoor kitchens, transforming an ordinary yard into a personalized sanctuary. The visual impact of a well-executed wall draws the eye and adds dimension, making even a modest property feel grand and thoughtfully designed. As you enjoy your new landscape, you'll find that the retaining wall becomes more than just a structure. It's a canvas for your gardening ambitions, a gathering place for cherished memories, and a defining feature that sets your home apart. The interplay of stone, light, and greenery creates a living work of art that evolves with the seasons, offering endless inspiration and delight. Building a stunning retaining wall for your dream landscape is a rewarding investment in both beauty and function. It requires vision, planning, and attention to detail, but the result is a lasting masterpiece that elevates your entire property. Whether you choose rugged natural stone, sleek concrete, or classic brick, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Allow your creativity to guide you and embrace the opportunity to craft a landscape that reflects your unique style and aspirations. With each stone set in place, you're not just building a wall, you're shaping the future of your outdoor space, creating a legacy of beauty, utility, and inspiration for years to come. So dream big, plan thoughtfully, and take pride in every step of the journey. Your stunning retaining wall awaits, a true foundation for the landscape of your dreams.